guys, it's Mackenzie, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do my squishy collection. I have 2 bins of them. This bin is like soft and slow and like not really like good squishies, I would say, and then this one is good squishies and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start with I'm gonna do 2 parts to this. So I'm gonna start with the soft and slow and homemade squishies. And I got my haircut, so yeah. So first of all, I have this. Don't mind my nails. I was gonna had to let them take a little break for my acrylics because the acrylics like literally mess up my nails so badly. But we have this little pug squishy from Soft and Slow. We have I'm just gonna like, holy crap. Okay, is that all? I hope that's all. I think that's all. I have this 3-piece set that has, that comes with a hot dog, a hamburger, and this is a soft and slow set, and these fries, then I have this PB&J, and this one, and this one were my very first like squishies. And anything from Soft and Slow is gonna be from Walmart or Target. I got the set from Target, and then the rest are from Walmart. This one's actually from Books A Million. I think it was like freaking $20. Wait, yeah. And then these are from CVS. I have this Catacorn. These smell so good too. Like, they smell so good. This like rock or punk cloud. This other hamburger. This chocolate dipped strawberry. And then this decapitated unicorn. I don't even know. I'm not gonna do any of my homemade squishies besides one, just because I have like, I'll go through them. I have this cake, donut, I don't even know, this pineapple, it's pretty soft, because it's made from a different thing. I really do like this one, I don't know why. This Pop-Tart, sugar cookie and watermelon, another Pop-Tart, this cat, kawaii cat, and then this kawaii, this is so cute. It's like literally not squishy at all though, but like it's adorable. This Victoria's Secret Forever Sexy Scent. I don't know why I have this in here. It's empty. Okay. I have this cake roll that has tape on it. I don't even know what that is. Then I have this Mackenzie's Bakery, and I spelled bakery wrong. Limited edition, $4.99 for this itty bitty, like, I don't even know what you would call that. DIY'd panda bun, and then I have this. Where did the arms go? There's one. He's supposed to have arms, but they fell off. It's this really cute little, I guess you would call it kawaii, squishy made from another squishy. Okay, the TV's on and people are talking about there because it's game day. I have this other panda bun, and then let me finish my this is the brand Squeezables. I just have this, I don't even know what that is. And then I have this Soft and Slope pancake stack, this pancake cupcake, and then I think that's and then this Soft and Slow, and then now I'm gonna do things from Michaels, and a lot of these are deco just because, like, I don't know why they are, but they are. I have this thingy, this football, this DIY macaron, other macaron, why black feeling, don't know. These two donuts. Here's another homemade squishy. 2 donuts. This is a makeup sponge that I just like painted over. Ooh, I have gum. Wow, nice. Okay, this is the only thing I have from the dollar store. It's pretty good, to be honest. Okay. These are just from brand. Oh no, no. Oh well. These are just random things that I found. Like, I decorated this one, and I love that noise. I don't know why. And then these are Shopkin ones. I have this adorable cheese. I don't know Shopkin names, so I don't know what these names are. This is like my favorite one. It is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like, I don't know how to show you guys this, but can you see like the cracks in it? It's bad, but it's still like one of my favorite from these. This cat that's peeling off. This that I DIY'd, I don't even know what the heck it is, but it says Shopkins. And this really cute little pie. And then I have this, like, I don't know what these are called. I have one of these. Then I have one of these. Where's my cow? Who's in there? And some of my, like, I might have a few of, like, these kinds in here just because they're my favorite. That is very, reflective. Then I have these DIY sugar drops. They look like this, and then they're in here. These things are like socially rising. They look like, I'm not going to show the other one just because exact same. These are really slow rising. I don't even know what these are made of. But yeah. And then, like I said, we have this one. Which is literally the freaking cutest thing in the world. This Squish Delish, and then these two, like, I don't even know what these would be called. And I think I'm not gonna do 2 videos. I'm just gonna do this one long one just because it'll be easier. Okay, sorry about that. Let's get started with let's get started with these. So the first thing I have is from this Hebrew Bakery. This is the pineapple croissant or quaffle bread. Then I have this cake slice. I don't know where this is from. I have the marshmallow cake. This Hello Kitty donut, which is really cute. This pink one is adorable also. This cat squishy. This is the off-brand because I know the real one has stripes on it. And this Gorilla Kuma is also a fake one, but I DIY'd it because like it was really ugly. And it was like blue and then like booger green. So I DIY'd it and I made it a watermelon Gorilla Kuma. And then we have this bunny. This other bunny. Oh, ow. And this is actually my first like name brand squishy. This came in packages I Love Bread. And I know that this is in it right now just because it's bread and it like fit perfectly. So I just put this in it. But like it's not really. It doesn't really go for that thing. But this smells like vanilla and it smells so good. So I don't know how you would really squish this. And she would just like squeeze it like that. Like that. I'll screen it in the packaging for people that like the packaging ones. And then I have a cow that goes to the little milk squishy. And then I named this one Mia Moo. That's what I named it. We have that. I have this rare Shopkins thing, and like you can't really tell. This is gold, and this thing smells like the most in the world, but it's okay. We have the strawberry thing. I forgot I had this. We have this Ariti pencil. I also have this squishy in here that's literally like, can you guys see that? He's like literally flattened. I don't know how long that thing's been there for. Like that. This is the blue version. And it smells so good. It smells like maple. It smells so stinking good though. And then my favorite squishy of all freaking time, we have this chocolate one by Peter. And oh my god, you guys, this thing smells so good. And just watch this. You ready? I'm not even gonna wait for this thing to rise. It's like, do you see this? Like, it's still not even close to being able to rise. Okay. I'm gonna, for all the things here, I'm gonna put the also back in here. And also, this is a really cute packaging. It just says Hebrew over there, and then it has these little wheats. There. And it is so cute. Okay. And this thing is like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like stuck like that. Cause this thing is like not really the most squishy thing. It usually pops up really quickly, but like it's not popping up quickly. I just carry them in these. Okay, in these mermaid things. So yeah. And guys, comment down below if you guys want me to do a moving vlog and a what's it called? Apartment tour, because me and my mom are about to move into an apartment together. And tell me if you guys want a more of that. So, okay, don't mind this disgusting, crusty, musted, dusted, wusted fan back there. I don't feel like cleaning it right now, so. Okay, bye guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get notified anytime I post. And don't forget that you're always loved, and bye guys.